So in the past year, I'd say I started putting myself out there more. I've stopped being scared to put myself out there more. Right now, I'm kind of like in my third year or so wearing hair systems, and I would say now I'm at I would call it my peak, I guess. I feel comfortable with it. People know how I look like, and I'm not necessarily worried about people looking at my hair. But I was in the past. In the past, like whenever I'd go out or whenever I'd go do something, I'd be looking at other people's hair, or I'd be thinking about, oh, I wonder if they're thinking about my hair. I wonder if they can see that it's thinning. That's crazy. The fact that I was worrying about that, it really eats your head. Like it's just having those ideas in your head just isn't great for your brain, and like it forced me to miss out on so much. And in the past year, I'd say I've become more of like a yes person. If my buddies have an idea, I will go do it with them. I'm that one crazy person who will say yes to anything, and it's just because like now I'm not worried about my hair, and that's kind of the thing, that the human brain is very strong, and if you're worried about one thing, not having to worry about it is amazing. So it really allowed me to unlock another piece of my life that I thought I would never get back, because I was just always so worried about my hair. And like with the hair system now, and in the past year especially, like I've lost the fear of talking to strangers. I'll start a conversation with anyone, and so much of it is tied deep down to not having to worry about my hair anymore. And for me at least, like it's allowed me to have a lot more fun. And I think, like we only have one life. We want to live it to the fullest. We should live it to the fullest. And I know for me, like what helped me out was a hair system, and maybe that's the solution for someone else, but it'll take time to figure that out. But at the end of the day, I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this because I want to look like the way I look, and I want to feel good. I want to be able to have fun. I want to be able to enjoy life, because we only got one of them.